I'm from iStreet Network. I represent iStreet, which is essentially in the space of resiliency operations center. So if you traditionally look at the IT space, I you know we, you'll find something called as observability, and observability is essentially about monitoring applications, monitoring network, monitoring infrastructure, and the other space that traditionally you will look at would be on the security side of things. So what we do is essentially we are converging both of these spaces, bringing them together, and we call them as something called as resiliency operations center. Now, how is that revolutionizing the entire AI space? Is that you have a lot of these logs, matrices, traces that are coming from various IT systems, etc. How is it that I can use artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI to bring all of this data together and get intelligence so that I can have resilient, robust systems? So that's what we do as a company. And when it comes to things like machine learning and generative AI, we have been doing it for a long time. Not the generative AI piece, but the machine learning part. So we have over 15 years of experience in building ML models to do things like anomaly detection, correlations, etc., etc. And with generative AI coming into picture, we are further enhancing it by bringing in conversational element to it, or some of these native intelligence that you have on the generative AI side. Now, what's the way forward? Way forward is of course Make in India. It's a Make in India company. So right now we are looking at some of these models that could be things like Llama, etc., which have been built abroad. But what we're trying to do essentially right now is get in sovereign LLMs, and how is it that I can keep the complete stack as a Make in India sovereign stack for Indian enterprises.